at a distance. Okay, I shaded everything. Okay, let's come for this one. The center of this P. So what is a PC? PC should be equal to height of the cone, spherical shell of radius. How much he has given? 6 meters. So what do you expect the height of the cone? So it should be equal to h by 4. Okay, the cone height is what we should calculate here. Radius of the shell is telling. So first of all, let me directly come for this one. So it will set up a torque. Torque will act about center of mass. Tau C should be equal to buoyant force. The buoyant force will act like this. Buoyant force into OC. So what is the buoyant force? Buoyant force should be equal to density of water, 4 by 3 pi r cube g into OC. We don't know distance OC. Anybody how to get the OC value? He has given apex angle of the cone. Okay, let's get into the cone diagram. What all we know. A plane diagram I'm taking help of. So we know this is 30 degrees. We need this height of the cone. We need height of the cone here. So this is the center O. This is C. So this is P. And we know this distance. What is this distance? This distance should be equal to R. This distance is also O P1. I'll write it. Yeah. OP1 is equal to OA should be equal to R. Will I agree? So this will get an isosceles triangle. So this angle should also be 30. Try to notice the diagram. So we know R, that one. So if you know OA and OP1, can we predict what is AP1? If you know AP1, from that I'll get AP. From AP, if I know, I can calculate CP. Pure geometry, nothing to do. So this angle should be 60. Anybody value of AB? Cos 30 should be equal to, see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we have lost everything. Huh? Okay, we'll rewrite, I think. PC is equal to, I'll draw the diagram once again. Okay, now this is O, this is A, this is P1, this is P, P2, and this is the center C. I think we have done like this. Huh? This is 30 degrees. This should be 30. And OA should be equal to OP1 should be equal to R. So this angle will be 90. And I took this is B. So cos 30. Okay, let me write. I assume data like this, no? OA equal to OP1 is equal to R. Then cos 30 is equal to AB by OA. So what is AB? This is equal to R root 3 by 2. And AB is equal to P1. AB is equal to P1B. So therefore now we know the side AP1. AP1 should be equal to how much? 2AB plus P1B. So this should be equal to R root 3 by 2, R root 3 by 2, which is equal to R root 3. So if you know that, can we calculate height? So what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is AP, no? Now from that triangle, cos 30 should be equal to AP by AP1. See, all these are students supposed to do our mathematics. Physics concept is over. Buoyancy. The remaining things, what happens, students should immediately jump into the picture. So what is H is equal to AP1 cos 30. AP1 is what? R root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So 3R is what? Height of the cone. Check it, is it? Sorry, 3R by 2. 3R by 2 is the height of the cone. If you know height of the cone, can we calculate now the distance PC? PC will be h by 4, no? If you know PC, can we calculate OC? See, finally, our target was to get OC, that's all. So how to get to OC? We know everything now. Now we know AP, that one. So in that PC, we know it. So how to, what is H is equal to AO plus OC plus PC. PC is what? 3R by 8. AO is what? R. I'll take the next part. H is equal to 3R by 2. AO is R. OC we don't know. PC is 3R by 8. Solve it, we'll get expression for OC. That value of OC, if I substitute, I'll get the torque. I'll bring this data here. Anybody value of OC?
R by 8.
Just R by 8. Huh? Okay, that we are going to substitute here. So this will be 4 by 3 pi R cube G. So this much is the torque that is acting. How much will get? This 1/4 will be pi rho W R cube G by 6 R to the power of 4. Okay, this is a thing. 10 pi 12 x cube. Okay, again is substituting value of R. Okay, leave that one. Okay, this will be our answer. Do calculation later on. Okay, I'll show the total question. So what all we did. Some mathematics. Say buoyant force is just center of buoyancy. So what is O you should call now? What is O? O is the center of buoyancy. Yeah? I think there's a strict condition. O is center of buoyancy and C is what? Center of gravity. Okay, need not bother. Density of water, density of core not needed. Huh? Okay, let's take the next question. Now this is something just to trouble you.